Hey guys, if you're having issues with your Microsoft Store, either it's not opening or maybe it's not downloading apps, or if it's just not working in general, then keep watching, as in this video, I'm going to show you the steps you need to take to fix this issue. So first thing we need to do is come to the Start menu and you want to search for CMD and then right click on the command prompt and make sure to run as administrator. And then inside of this text box, you want to type in the following command wsreset.exe and then hit enter. And then this should bring up the Microsoft Store. But if that doesn't work, the next thing we can do, come to the Start menu and search for Windows Store, and then you want to select where it says Find and Fix Problems with Windows Store Apps, and then just go through the steps on this screen, and Windows is going to try and detect any problems with the Microsoft Store. Once we've done that, the next thing you need to do is come back to the Start menu and search for Settings, come into the Settings icon, and then come over to Time and Language. Come into Date and Time, and you want to make sure Set Time Zone Automatically is set to On. If it's already on, then just disable it for a second and then re-enable it. We then want to come down where it says Sync Now and press this Sync Now button. Then we can come back out of here into Language and Region, and then come down to the Region section, and you want to select your country or region. Some apps can only be downloaded from certain regions, so make sure to select the region that's correct for you. Next thing you need to do is come into Network and Internet. Come down to Proxy, and you want to make sure that your proxy is disabled to automatically detect settings. It doesn't really matter for this one, but you need to make sure Use Setup Script is off, and also Use a Proxy Server is set to off. Then we can come over to the Start menu and you want to search for Run. Select the Run icon, and inside of here you want to type in services.msc and then hit Enter. Now scroll all the way down this list until you find something called Windows Update. And then just double click on Windows Update, and you want to make sure the startup type is set to automatic or automatic delayed start. And then just stop this for a second by clicking the stop button, and we want to start it again. Then press OK, and you want to scroll up to find something called Microsoft Store Service Install. So mine's located here, Microsoft Store Install Service, and double click on that, and you want to change the startup type to automatic. And then we can stop it again, and then you want to restart it. Then press Apply and OK. And we can close out of this window. Next thing you want to do is come to the Start menu and search for CMD and right click on the command prompt and run as administrator. Inside of this window type net space stop space MSI server and then press enter. And then you want to type net space start space MSI server and hit enter. And once we've done that, we can close off of the command prompt and you want to come to your Start menu and search for PowerShell. Right click on Windows PowerShell and make sure to run as administrator. And inside of here, we're going to type in the following commands and hit enter after each one. I'll leave a link to these in the description so you can just copy and paste them yourself. What this command is going to do is it's going to uninstall the Microsoft Store, and then the second command is just going to reinstall the Microsoft Store for you. And then once we've successfully done that, we can close out of this window and then restart our computer. Now, after following all of these steps, that should have fixed any issues you have with the Microsoft Store. If you still are experiencing problems, please drop a comment below and I'll try my best to assist you. If this video did help you, please drop a like and subscribe. Until next time.